Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today is the special episode. It's the Valentine's Day, February 14th. It is also the end of the week and the week is closing in just about 13 minutes. So by the time you watch it, the week will be closed and we will have this second green week after the breakout of the previous all-time high of $1,420. Let's zoom in a little bit and take a look at this pattern here on the weekly chart. Pay attention to these 4 weeks. Green, red with long wicks, green, red with pretty long wicks. It will be seen better this way. And then the breakout of two green weeks so far, and possibly 2 more to go. 2 more weeks that will take us from the breakout area to the price target of $3,000, which will be right up here. And this price target is coming from Bitcoin chart. Bitcoin chart is telling us that fractal, before its breakout, had the same type of approach, same type of fractal, and then it went for 4 weeks of parabolic run to $42,000, and that was a gain of 110%. Now, if we were to take a measured move of 110% from this area at about 1420, then we will see a picture like this. And 110% takes us all the way up to $2,980. This is pretty incredible how much confluence is going on here. Before that, we need to break the $2,000 area, which is a very major milestone for Ethereum. And let's jump into the daily chart and see what is going on here. We got some consolidation area going on here. The volatility is dropping and looks like we're topping out a little bit. A slightly closer look on the 4-hour chart can tell us a little bit more about this pattern, and I spy a rising wedge here, which is the rising wedge is actually a bit of a bearish. It's a bearish pattern, which means if it falls out of this wedge, then the price target number 1 here on the downside is about $1,537, like that. The price target number 2 here would be the area of the previous resistance area, which is now a support, and it's gonna stay here. As you can see, it's about $1,420. So we're looking at this target 1, $1,535, $1,540, and then target 2, about $1,420. So that's on the downside. But now the good news, and pay attention to this, when the rising wedge is actually in a super bullish pattern like this, and considering that we still have not met the target of this ascending triangle, if you take a measured move from the base of this triangle and put it up here, it puts us perfectly into $2,000 area, and we still have not met it. We still have this gap of just a couple more percent to go. So with that said, we can actually see continuation of this pattern because the whole trend is bullish and the ascending triangle still have not materialized. And in this case, if we were to break on the upside, this target on the upside on the short term is $2,131. The second target here, and it's a major target, is the $3,000 area. How we're gonna get there in the next few weeks, we shall see. We're looking at the 4-hour chart. It doesn't have to increase monotonically. It can be like area, like we go up here, we get rejected at $2,000, go down a bit, and then we continue heading up for the next 2 weeks with some area like this. It can also be something like this, I would say. We just break down out of this rising wedge into some areas of this support, and then we go up, get rejected here, down, and finally make a couple of major moves up here. And just remember, on the upside, we're looking at $2,130. On the major second target is the $3,000 area around here in the next 2 weeks. On the bottom side here, we're looking at some support about $1,500 and $1,400 area. If you like the content, smash the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.